Hey everybody, so today I'm gonna show you how I make my legendary pizza dough. All you're gonna need is a bowl, a spoon, some dry yeast, salt, and sugar. Now for the killer pizza sauce, you're gonna need an onion, some garlic, concentrated tomato paste, and some diced tomatoes. Now you're also gonna need some flour, just regular white flour, some grated cheese. I use grated cheddar cheese. Now for the toppings, I'm gonna be using some bacon, mushroom, and onion. So I'm gonna start by adding the yeast to some lukewarm water alongside some sugar, and we're gonna mix it all together. So what we want to wake the yeast up with some nice warm bath and some sugar, and as you can see, when they start bubbling, that's when it's ready. And now we're gonna move to making the dough. I would add almost the entire 1 kilo of flour, the water with the yeast, and of course add more water if you need to. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. So you want to start mixing it all together, and then once it starts to clamp up, you want to start using your hands, and you really want to get to the right texture so it feels like almost like a pillow, but it doesn't stick to your hand. And that's when you want to add some salt and keep on mixing. So after it all comes together, I'm gonna work the dough a little bit more for a few more minutes. I'm gonna sprinkle some flour and just work it until it comes even nicer, like so. Cover it with a wet towel, a damp towel, and let it go to bed for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Bye bye. Now to make the legendary tomato sauce, we're gonna take a pan, heat it up with some olive oil, add some chopped onion, chopped garlic, mix it all together until it becomes nice and clear. Then you add the concentrated tomatoes and you fry it until it reduces a little bit. Then you add the diced tomatoes, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water just to get all the tomatoes in. But you want to do is reduce it to a nice, thick, beautiful, delicious sauce, like that. Join me for part 2 to see how it all comes together. See you then!